Howdy folks, Jeff here, and Milton sent me this new hydro and air power wand. And so what is a hydro and an air power wand? Well, this is number 171 NF01. And what it is you can use this with air or with water. So it has an adapter in there that hooks for your air hose, and you unscrew that and you hook up to the water hose, and right here it's adjustable on the pressure. It's got a little tip on the end with numerous holes right here that's going to make it really spray out. So this is a great deal when you say, oh, you got a little job where you're not going to break out your power washer, and like you got a vehicle coming in that's got a bunch of mud underneath it, and we don't want that falling on us, and you want to rinse it off, or you got stuff out on your driveway you want to rinse off, or your bucket or something. So let me show you how much power this has. As you can see, that's quite a bit. And if you look at that tip right there, that really has a nice spray to it. And so that would be great. You can actually use this on washing out radiators, condensers, and stuff. You don't want a whole lot of pressure on there. You can just turn the pressure down. As you can see, it's got the little switch. So we got some stuff on the drive here. And you know, up north, it's going to be worse right now this time of year, where you got the mud and the slush and everything coming in, and you want to rinse it off. So let's see, how does this work for the air? Well, let me go turn my water off real quick and switch out the connector and hook it to your water hose. It just makes this handy. So now let's see how the air does. And you see we have our Milton high pressure connector on here, quick connect. So when we release the air off of this, it doesn't spray or anything. It's really great if you're hooking up multiple hoses. And as you can see, that puts out quite a good volume of air. And you can see it rinsing that, blowing that water right off. So why is that handy? Well, sometimes if you're using the water and you're rinsing the mud or stuff off of a vehicle, then you want to go ahead and blow that water off so it doesn't drip on you. We want to keep from getting it all over us. So I think this is going to be pretty handy in the shop. All this is giving you another alternative to have a great air wand, but you can also run out there and hook it up to the water hose anytime you need to. Well, that's what's going on in the shop today. As always, I appreciate you watching.